Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's just unpack on Senzo May Wanje, the proceedings yesterday, about the stuff that happened there. I was just like, I don't know how I feel about this. I'm just caught between Raza now and Mnisi. I'm just like, Mbukela Nancy fight. I'm like, guys, in court. And then I was listening properly now to what happened, actually, what transpired there at the court. Konomnis later, no, come the day. When actually the day comes, I will tell the court if I'm ready or not. Remember what did I say on my video before this one? I think Umnisi on the 22nd, uzotake already, guys. There's very, very slim chances that Umnisi will be like, no, I'm ready. I even think he can say, I'm ready, essenzela thina, you know? Which people are watching, man, they're going to be like, Benza no accused number one. What am I even doing to him? But Hangeki guys will be ready. This time now, just as much as it was added, it's still too little for Mnisi to continue and be ready on the 22nd of April. I even thought Uratswa was going to be like, okay, month end, when all the holidays are done. I'm telling you, 70%, I'm thinking, no, it's going to be like, no, not today. Maybe chaotic already, Urata wanted to jump him. It's just like, Kaibo. Is there anything like that, guys? There's really no need for that. Urasa could have just said, okay, Mnisi, let's go to the chambers. We'll finish this off there. I figure in my chambers, I'm chilly like you've never seen. Good table. What are you even doing? Are you even serious about your work? No, so such a Tina, we don't care about those things. That's not for us, anyways. Tina, we just want justice for Musenzo Mayu. Other things are actually not even important. Me and I did not. I just want Mnisi to be fine. And Mnisi now was really, really, really fuming and angry. What's I didn't get my lord I quit, in fact. Which is not fair also on accused number one. And also for rushing things, it's also not fair on accused number one. It's just like Nayumuntu. Oh guys, it was a hectic day at the court. Utumnisi, he actually underestimated the amount of work that was supposed to be done. It was a lot for him. So he's just like, oh, I just thought it was not a lot. But I guess at the end of the day, like how Urata was saying, it's probably like what's hard. You know, accused number one. It's not like you don't know. And you have, this is where Rata's words, you have cross-examined these guys across the board, like all of them, all five of them, you know exactly what's going on. And Dunis was like, no, I don't. Actually, I was actually concentrating on accused number three. My attention was around him. It had nothing to do with anyone else, just as much as I know them, but I don't know them like that. Which is true though. How would Umnisi Azi everything about accused number one? Yes, he might have listened to late advocate Mngomezulu, but no, it's just never enough, guys. And it's only fair that he does take his time. Because just as much as this case has been going on forever, like how Judge Rata was now going on with how, no, when you've been taking forever. You were there before my predecessor. On the days, Gutalo, Gusase, Ushifua, Maumel. Namanje, you are still stuck with this case. You don't know what to do. I went and I unjala gabi. But you should do such a jalorat. And Uraz could have said it. Is the type, I'm telling you. Just now and then, Uraz Bombon, which has bamba, other things. We has bamba. But he did say some stuff which I just felt there was no need. You could have just told him these things on the chambers. I mean, baphume eli laba bantu bebengahlala lapha e-office la Rata, uRata and be like, hey, bra, like, let me help you. Where is the problem? You can read these things, you can. But Manje, you made him feel so small there in that court. Like he's a slow coach, slow. And that's not the way to go about when it comes to things like this. there's a certain way, like I said on the video before this one, there is a certain way to address this. There is no need of flashing out and courts. There's really no need. It was uncalled for. He could have just told him a few things and even Negamsholo Lindab. How Lagazang? Oh, okay, guys. So discuss it later. Going forward to see what is the story with Umsholo. And the assistant Gamsholo, I also didn't see in court. The other guy that normally helps Umsholo out. But I just feel good. He wants to do this himself and he wants to do it right. And rushing him. Ubona ngapha ingwenye. Ubrigadier Bongani Kinindi. Futhi alligator ke yena akayona ne crocodile. Is beyond anything else. The person, you need to be prepared. You need to know what you are talking about. So a person like that, you can't be playing with them. They don't want to play with you. So Umnisi was just like, angifuna kudlala nalo. So ngifuna ukufika la ngi-prepared proper. And Umnisi Bra didn't care about Urata and what Urata was saying to him. He was just like, look, I'm not even caring about him because he also doesn't care about me and my stuff. And accused number 1 for that matter. The fact of Gucci, good trial within a trial, found them guilty, and then said everything that they said, their confessions are admissible. And those confessions, they were forced to go to Bawasho, Babashaya, and doing stuff to them by Uprikatia Kinindi. So this is just like, hey, Kathleen, don't judge me, bro. Like, what are you even doing? You know? He's on the tip. Umnis. Pull up. He's like, hey, nangumuntu, unondaba. And Umnis was at least a guy's way to Lela. I'm done to Urata to filth. He was like, unondaba. I'm not ready. I can't be ready because Uta must be ready. It's not about him. I'm standing by my daba. Man, just funny give reading. Those are crazy things though. Utumnisi, he actually underestimated the amount of work that was supposed to be done. It was a lot for him. So he's just like, oh, I just thought it was not a lot. But I guess at the end of the day, like how Urata was saying, it's probably like what's hard. Yamazi kumnisi message is too voluminous. Angeke wathande ama-bombastic words like umnisi. And he's into Macbeth as well. He likes those words. He likes talking about what's saying about Romeo and Juliet or Macbeth. Those are his things. It was too voluminous. What must happen? I underestimated it. I didn't see it. I was just like, what? I think he was actually overwhelmed in Tanabantu. And the puppies, oh, guys, there's really no need for that. Sarcastically, Urata, that's when he told him about Maumel. Which go on in Wakala. Wakala no Maumen, I'm now I'm trying to still tell me who's a case. Guys, some other things are not about that, eh? And guys, my band up funny. People are not the same. We must go and ask your wife to 60,000 pages. So we are supposed to I'm like, can't think certainly. Zifuna endlini ukuthi zazi ukuthi umuntu over 70. I'm like, bra, why are you telling us indaba zasekhaya? Iy'ngane zakho zizazi lapho ukuthi ubufunda 60,000 pages. We must call his wife now to find out who funded 60,000 pages. That's not even important also. It's just business nokuthi umnisi abe ready. Yeah, that's all that matters. Okay, let's just add, guys, ukuthi remember ukuthi they've always said ukuthi all the cases that are going on right now, including Senzo Mewa's case, is actually a high-profile case. But my argument has always been it has never been treated as such. A high-profile case I treat kanje. Nihlale nonke nibukele high-up judges, including your new judge president, when he knows very well ukuthi yonke lento ekhulunywa kula court is hogwash and lies. Why would you wanna continue lying to people and waste people's time? Sekuphele uThenezi, we're actually going for 11th year in October. Wena namanye ama-colleagues akho as a judge president and then anikwazi ukuhlala phansi and be like, hayi bo le case kaSenzomeyo phela it's not make sure we need to do something and call the people that were in the house Kelly Khumalo. I just wanted to add that, which has been my thing that bugs me. I'm just like, why ungabiza abantu ababesendlini? And Kelly Khumalo was the closest person to Senzomeyo, and she's the one that brought him there at her home at the Khumalo's at the spaza shop. Why can't you be the first accused? Sikusole na ukuthi wena actually ohambulala, because also those rumors are there. I've spoken about them in the past 3 weeks. I've been speaking about that. So angithi kuthiwa uyi-mastermind first, bese kube kuthiwe no wena wakunikeza ulonke usiphamu wahlala ngaso agcina udubula usenzo nge-mistake. Wawusiphethe nje, why would you be carrying a gun? Wenzani? And why wena ungakaze uzubizwe court? Wena noma wakho beninozandi because nina nazi kahle ukuthi kwenzakala ngokwesenzo. Angithi you were there in the house. I think those are the most important things for us. Sikekelile sakwagegelwa. Why? When you could just call everyone qale phansi ngisho nomthoko namangabo. Who are we inside some documentary, some doki that has nothing to do with them. And rumors are they were paid for the doki as well, the documentary. They were paid for it. Ukhuluma ngomngane wakho that you grew up with, but you can't now get justice for him. Who even does that? Ngabe kuthiwa uyasaba-ke elifini usaba yonke into. Just as much as there was also a rumor yokuthi kwase kuthiwa sekuphelile konke when all was said and done. Base bethi Olong, why no, he mustn't go. But abangahambi umthoko no. Abangahambi. We will take care of their buses and going home. Is there anything like that, guys? Who was up those people? Where do you no longer from? And Umthoko is the same person who said, we didn't no longer from a bar of soap. He just barged in. Umuntu. Never even greeted us. Usugijimana labo bantu wena again. Yabona guys ukuthi uphiqiphiqi nobuxoki bunjani emhlabeni, and abudlala uphiqiphiqi nobuxoki and abuyiseli. This is why to a point where uSifiso Meyo has always maintained ukuthi before ngisaphuza, actually I don't drink anymore. Besihlala sinomthoko athi mesephuzile, hayi no actually yazi bra ulongwe uyezwa manje oyayenza lento. Guys, please ngeke yazi at times you like, can things turn around? Abantu bakhuluma iqiniso baseke ngamanga. Are we not tired? Are we not exhausted? This case has gone too long. Kungena mphumela. To a point where, Nam have said it a lot of times, especially last year in 2024. I think around May, June, where I repeatedly said, why uSenzo noBaba kaSenzo bangazibuyeli? Which time are they waiting for? Do they want to take their time now? But they're like, no, abantu abadonsana seyibukela nje. God, sobonisa umuntu. But you just like, when? So guys, so lapho for now. And I appreciate you guys so much taking this channel to other levels. It's growing faster than before, actually, this channel now. After I was monetized by YouTube. After I was demonetized last year in April. Only now, me and YouTube, we like greatest of friends. Thank you so much, guys. Again, Ngithanda over.